Due to heavy rains in the mountains of Uttarakhand, the Ganga river is flowing above the danger level. I'm reporting from Rishikesh, and just behind me is the Janki Jhula. And you can see the flow of Ganga river, which is extremely high at this moment, because the Ganga river had crossed the danger mark of 340.50 meters. And my camera person Shiv Kumar Tiwari is showing you these visuals from the Rishikesh Ghats. Over there you can see there is one ashram that is completely submerged, which is just near the Janki Jhula. And if we pan around the entire area of this Rishikesh Ghats, there you can see the Parmarth ashram, and the Shiv iconic statue over there is almost submerged. The water levels have rose higher in the past few 3 to 4 days because of heavy rains in the mountain areas of Uttarakhand. It is right next to the Parmarth ashram is Lakshman Jhula. The police administration, the district administration had been stating since last 4 to 5 days that people should not go to these jhulas, so that they can be at the safer area, and the flow is increasing hours after hours at the Ganga river, as these platforms were submerged just 2-3 days back. The loudspeakers just nearby me, you can hear as they are constantly announcing as to what these people should do, not come to the platforms, because Ganga river is flowing beyond the danger levels, which is extremely dangerous. To be cautious constantly. Volunteers are also telling people that they should not come near these ghats, as the Ganga river is flowing beyond the danger mark of 340.50 meters in Rishikesh. And just 3-4 days back, one woman died in Rishikesh as well, after the river crossed the platforms and entered in one of the ashrams. Certainly this is the condition of the ghats in Rishikesh, which is extremely dangerous, and the police administration had told people to be cautious enough to remain outside the ghats and not go just near the river, as the flow is increasing and the Ganga river is flowing at extremely dangerous levels. This is Aishwarya Jain with video journalist Shiv Kumar Tiwari for NDTV.